Hi guys, welcome to BABUJEE Academy tribalism group of channels. Guys, again today I am with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is comparison between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In the previous videos we studied that what is sexual reproduction and what is asexual reproduction. So if you have not watched that video, so go there and watch it. I have dropped the link of that videos in the description box. Now let me start. In asexual reproduction and the production of offspring, only one parent is involved. While in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved, male and female. Male and female produce gametes. Now in asexual reproduction, the offspring arises from the body of parents. While in sexual reproduction, the gametes of the male and female parents fuses together to form zygote. When the ova and sperm combine, it forms zygote. Now, in asexual reproduction, rapid increase occur in number through the reproductive process. While in sexual reproduction, slower increase in number through the reproductive process. Slower increase occurs. Now, in the asexual reproduction, all offspring are identical. While in sexual reproduction, offspring may have variation from the parent's physical feature. In sexual reproduction, their variations are present. Now let me summarize that what we studied. We studied that in the production of offspring and asexual reproduction, only one parent involved, while in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved, male and female. In asexual reproduction, offspring arises from the body of parents, while in sexual reproduction, gametes of the male and female fuses together to form zygote. Zygote is the fusion of sperm and ova. In asexual reproduction, rapid increase in number through the reproductive process. In asexual reproduction, rapid increase occurs. While in sexual reproduction, slower increase occurs in number through the reproductive process. In asexual reproduction, offspring are identical, while in sexual there are always a variation present. Okay guys, it was our today video about the comparison between asexual and sexual reproduction. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button, and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video. Thank you.